guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is another episode of Life Update, and I'm super excited in today's episode. It's because we're gonna be having a lot of fun activities inside our house and outside. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and let's get into it. We're on our way to Xoxo kasi magbabayad kami ng bill together with my little siblings. And we're on like this outfit. And we're just waiting for a tricycle. Papa. So we are currently here at the LG Shoppers Market. And we're on our way sa taas. Ang bangit ng lighting. Good morning po. Because we're looking for a wallet because I'm needing it, you know. Hi guys, excuse my face. I just literally woke up, but guys, we're going to make some buko because it's summer, right? So we also have the slice na, and kukunin namin na sa loob later on. And may nag-uunggoy na po guys. Tingnan niyo. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, that's how we do it. Hey. 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 Guys, so here's our food. I know, it's junk foods. And this how they turned out. Yung buko na ginawa namin. And we're now going to eat it. Hi guys, good morning. So we are on our way to get some bread into bake shop nearby our house. Then I'm with my little brother ulit. Look at the sunrise, stunningly perfect. But yes guys, we're on our way now. Guys, close pa yung bakery na pinupuntahan namin. We've been here for like 10 minutes na. I'm with my little brother. Hoy! Psst. Hi. But yes guys, we're just gonna wait here, and if wala pa, we're gonna go home na kasi super... There's a dog guys. Super andito guys. I feel like... But yes guys, I feel like my hair is kinda messy, but we're just gonna rock on it. So guys, update. Wala kaming nabili kasi ayaw mag-open ng bake shop, ganun. So we just decided to go home na lang kasi tawag na tawag si Papa. But yes guys, we already made it here. Sayang, it was fail pa naman. I'm really craving for peanut butter talaga kasi I'm planning to cook a pancake kaso wala. And ayun, nagdala-dala pa kami ng bag para sa lalagyan ng mga pagkain. Wala man pala, pero nagbili na kami ng ulam, so that'll be good. And guys, I love the sunrise. She's so stunningly excuse the mess at the back of us, because we are currently here in our tita's house, and this is my little brother. Say hi. Oh, she's kinda shy rather. But guys, today is Friday, so we're not yet totally allowed to make some noise, to have some respect. But guys, we're just eating some ihon, and mom gave us. And ayan, nakakailan na po ako because it's so yummy, it's so bomb. Uh-oh. But yes guys, I might just gonna finish this because later on may pupuntahan kaming event sa school ng pinsan ko. And hello guys! So we're on our way to General Santa City, but we're still in the city. And guys, happy summer! Happy summer! Here's all of our stuffs. Dalawang tote bag ang dinala ko. Ayan. And look at this birthday month. Hi guys, good evening. So we just got here sa Virgin Blue Resort here in General Santos City. And supposedly the plan is sa BG Resort kami, which is in my previous vlog that you guys have seen. Pero fully booked na sila doon, so there's no any place for us anymore. Kaya dito na lang kami, and we are all secured guys. And we've been in the road for almost like an hour, kaya nagabihan kami. But finally guys, I'm actually in love with the cottage here because it has a room, which is kind of vibe. I'll give you a little tour later on when we get settled in. Here's the cottage sa baba. We all have our stuffs in here. And there's the stairs in here, which is yan yung daan sa taas. And I'm gonna guys take you along with me there. And here's how she looks like. Yan. It's on plywood, so we have to be very careful. Dinner guys, it's almost like magdatan na, so ngayon lang kami kakain. Hello guys, good morning. I'm with my cousin. So we're on our way to CR kasi magpapalit na kami because while there's still no any sun, because we don't wanna get sunburn, maliligo na kami. So ayan, here's our way. Ayan. We all get dressed. Guys, this is our view. It's currently 5:18. Journal here, like I literally bring this one because slay. Gratitude is done. Here's our view guys. Look at this sunrise. She's perfect. even don't wear any sunscreen. Guys, update. So we're still here at the Blue Virgin Resort here from General Santos City, and hindi na kami nag-cottage since umaga naman. So malis na kami sa cottage na pinagsabayan namin last night, and dito na lang kami naghanap ng place sa tabi mismo ng dagat together with the car. Ayun, hope you guys could see it. But I'm just here sitting at this cute area because I'm obsessed with the vibe, you know. Guys, so we are currently getting ready now because there is a view that we saw, tapos we are planning to take up pictures in there. And ayan. So this is the current situation about my look. Look at where we are. Wow. Oh my god, have you seen this? Like, hello, who is this? This and this. Guys, I'm in love with this place. Are we kidding? Like, I'm in love with the view. As in, ang ganda, grabe. I'm obsessed. I have this kind of a ship na display dito, and not just totally display because you can enter here as well. Guys, what I'm really trying to say here is that they have their hotel, which you can have your reservation if you don't want to get some cottages, or if you want to have a comfortable or enough sleep, something like that. And also they have the reception area. I really love the vibe in there. And before ka pala makapasok, you have to have your foods, or like mag-order kayo before we get in. So ayun, may food na kami mamaya. So after pictorial na lang namin yan kukunin kasi bawal yun siya itaas or ipunta sa taas. But guys, we got our food already. We just got some ice cream. Hi! I'm just gonna set this up here so we can feel the vibe era. It's so gloomy outside, guys, but we're just gonna rock on it.